Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm here sat with the pink fork. The reason why I have pink cutlery is because down on the ground when you're getting all muddy, best thing to see, so you will never lose it. I've had lots of metal instruments, lots of metal cup saucers and forks and spoons and stuff, but I've lost it all. So this is my fire. My wonderful Terry has brought this fire. We've got some rice. It is really nice. I mean, everything's going bad in everywhere, but we're trying to make the best of it. It's my birthday tomorrow, so Terry said, right, we'll go out. We are about 5 minutes away from my house. We've got our tent, which is awesome. Have a look at the tent, please. Get up and see the tent. Come on. It was really difficult to put any of the tent pegs in, but we've managed to do it. This is our small tent, even though it's quite big.
Do you want to crawl in so we can see your bum? There we go.
It's quite small.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
The thing is, I mean, when it's down and stuff like that, we can put this down. We have windows in it.
No, show the inside.
It's all concealed. This
Yes,
inside
we
bit
can
is
see
all
this.
concealed.
We have got a stove there, but we're cooking on the campfire.
Yeah, we ran out of gas,
There's a
unfortunately.
bedroom.
We ran out of gas, unfortunately.
Hopefully warm enough in there.
But we have our mats, which are amazing. These are 5 centimetre mats. They were from Aldi. And you know what? They are the most
know what,
comfortable
Beck?
things ever.
It looks like you've sorted your bed out. Where's my bloody bed?
Your bed's... Well, your bed's there and my bed's there.
All right.
But yeah, we have our 4-season...
It just looks like you've done one bed there.
We have our 4-season sleeping bags. Now, these are really warm. We've done the car camps with these, as well as blankets. But now, I mean, that was winter. But now that it's springtime, hopefully we will be pretty warm. The fire that Terry made before was ever so lovely, and it is really, really warm. We're able to cook on it and everything.
You need to check
we
this
made
rice.
sure
Come on.
that it's right near to the river, so safety is our priority. We will never, ever, ever make fires where it's liable to catch and transfer and stuff like that. I mean, last year with all the fire problems in
California,
Australia and California, in the Americas, in Australia, I mean, I think that everybody, I mean, fires are great. Fires is what we need, but also people need to take note and be very responsible for those fires so they don't get out of hand.
Yeah.
So they don't.
But the thing is, Beck, in this country, everything's piss wet through.
Yeah, in England, especially at this time of the year, everywhere is pretty
So
wet and damp.
we don't get forest fires here.
We don't usually get forest fires. I mean, last
Right,
year there was,
Come on,
but I mean,
you need to check on dinner.
right. So, you carry on talking.
Think dinner's done. Get Bet to check it first, make sure she's not poisoning me. If we catch any rats round here, it will not be going in the dinner. See you in the morning.